Okay guys, so this is all the supplies you're gonna need in order to execute the greenery letters in this video. Really simple. You can get all of this pretty much from the dollar store besides the letters. I got these glue sticks, comes with 20 glue sticks from the dollar store. You can get this from the dollar store as well. It's just for the paint. I got some green paint brushes. And I have 11 packs of moss sheets that are like cuttable. If you guys can see, it's like netted, so you can cut to fit to the letters and stuff like that. And a hot glue gun that I got from Amazon, but you can get that from like Michael's or wherever you get your letters from. So we're starting with the L. We have the rest of the letters right here. Sydney is going to be helping me with this project. Let's get to it. Have them outside drying now. Acrylic paint doesn't take long to dry, so I think the L and the O are almost done. Those are what we did first. It's a beautiful day, so it's perfect for them to dry and do their thing out here. Now we about to put the moss on them. Okay guys, so now that the letters are dry, well, 95% dry, we're gonna put the moss on them using the glue gun. So what you wanna do is take a piece of this, put it on top, and then you're just gonna cut the excess with some scissors after you glue it down. This is what it'll look like. It looks weird, but then you flip it over and then you can just cut it out. You still recording, right?
Mm-hmm. Jordan asked if you were good.
These curves is hard. Okay. So just try to make it do with what you have, make it fit best way possible. Kind of like puzzle pieces now, because this part gotta go right here. So they do have the moss that you can buy like in that pack, but I don't feel like that would even work with the hot glue, because it just wouldn't stick right. It would be messy, even though this is messy too, but you can just take some scraps like on this one little edge and just take a little tiny bit of glue. Stick some moss on it. The goal is just to not see any of the like the wood, I guess. Like that wouldn't bother most people, but me, it bothers me. So you just put a tiny bit of glue. And you see these scraps? Just stick them on top. And the cool thing about this is it do not have to be perfect, because it's greenery, so. This product did get a little messy, but it's okay. Okay guys, so the N, O, and the L are done. This is taking way longer than expected, but they're coming out really nice, so I can't complain too much. But now I'm ready to do the D. We halfway done. Okay guys, so this is the final product for the letters. So yeah, that is the final product for the greenery letters. It took me about 3 hours to do this from start to finish, so don't think it's a quick and easy process, but it is worth it. They look really nice. You can't even see like the separation in the sheets or anything, so yeah, and it's affordable. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in my next one.